desfruta el momento, que el tiempo se acaba y parchas no verá. Viviendo, fumando y jodiendo, sigo vacilando de party todos los días. Síguelo.
Hello, this is Krishna Panchal, owner of Kanshil Custom Moto. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you for showing all the love for the Honda Civic we did before, the Nardo Grey one with scissor door hinges, and hence we will always try to keep you more happier by doing other beautiful automotive works. So let's have a look over this Baleno we have done, and I'll tell you about the parts installed and the detailings done on this car. So you can have a look over this Baleno. It's got a red chin splitter in front, side rails, but full body, even not short side rails, full body side rails. It's got a custom bumper made, one of one. Nowhere in this world is this thing is present. This is one of one custom made bumper with Akrapovic exhaust system installed in it. Basically it is called a sweeper bumper. Okay, as you can see the detailings over the stock Mac wheels itself, wherein you can see chrome red lug nuts and valve caps. We have done the drums and calipers also red. You can see the race clips installed on this vehicle, so it becomes easier when you need to replace the bumper to new or stock. It's got a towing hook installed on the car, which is of Sparco, genuine Sparco merchandise. Let's have a look over the star interiors done inside, star roof light. Here is the remote. It gives us all the different modes. Flasher gives you flashing strobe lights, strobe gives you a little disco headlights, fade gives you a calmness effect, smooth also gives you a calmness effect, but more smooth, and your lights can run over the music symbol as well. So this is an absolute lovely feeling to have star roof light interiors installed on your car. Makes you a very good and calm feel, gives you a very good and calm feel. Especially you need to use your white lights for every daytime. As you can see the interiors during the daytime, when the interiors are not on, okay, still you cannot find any of the bulbs on your roof. It is hidden, everything is hidden, and that makes it more beautiful. Here we have installed a Sparco gear knob, okay, which is we have installed for a business class person, so it is simple and nice. We have not done much to it. Moreover, we have done a custom paint job which is gloss black with red glitters. On the rear part of the car you can see there is an extra tail light added to the existing tail lights of the car, which is a strip light between two tail lights, and it is custom built in-house. The grille is also made in-house at Kanshil Customs itself, and hence it looks so beautiful, which is done gloss black and matte black combination. After all this introduction, if you want your Baleno to look like this, better like this, come to us, we'll make it for you. Thanking you. This is Krishna Panchal signing off. See you soon with more cars and more upgrades. Thank you.